So here I've got nets, and nets are things that create shapes. So here in my left hand, I've got a couple nets. Here in my right hand, I've got a couple other nets. So what we're going to do with these nets is we're going to combine shapes. We're going to find their vertices, edges, and faces. Let's start with our good old trusty rectangular prism, which I've got here. Got a rectangular prism. This is the net for rectangular prism. And this net, if you combine it a certain way, well, actually every way you combine this, will give you a rectangular prism. So let's combine it the opposite way you're supposed to. And you get a rectangular prism. When you combine it the other way, you still get a rectangular prism. So let's start looking for the edges. Now edges aren't really like the tips of anything. So edges. If I can just hold this there. So this is an edge. So if this is an edge, how many edges does this prism have? So let's find out. So you go one edge, another edge. Whoops. Let's just do this so you can actually see. One edge, 2, 3, and 4. Remember what we got 4. And then we got another edge. Oops. We got another edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So we've got 4 plus 4 is 12. And now we want to figure out the vertices. The vertices. When you're talking about them non-plurally, they're called vertex. They're called a vertex. Okay, so let's find our vertices. So a vertice is this. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 4 vertices, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 plus 4 is 8. So this has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now for the last one, we're gonna find the faces. So this is one face. Okay, but let me do an easier one for faces. Okay, so this is a very easy one for faces, and it is called a very good old trusty cube. So this is a cube. This is a cube. This is a good old cube net. So let me show you this. This is a cube net. Okay, so that's cube net. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna combine all these and make our nice little cube. Okay, so we've got a cube. Let's find the faces. So this is one face. Remember this. So this is one face. You've got one face. 2. Oops. See that? This is so. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count that again, just in case I got that wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 faces. 6. So this has 6 faces. It's actually easier to count it like this. Look. 1. Here, let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces on this guy. I'm going to show you a really confusing and tricky one. Okay, so do any of you viewers know what that is? Okay, I'm pretty sure that some of you got this one. Oops, I just knocked over a couple of my shapes. Okay, I'm pretty sure most of you know this one. This is a net for a cylinder. This is a net for a cylinder. Even though it does look like a flying bird with a huge circular tail, a huge circular head, it is not. You can play with it and pretend it is, or something like that, but really it's not. This is a cylinder. Okay. Alright, so how many vertices does this have? It obviously doesn't have any points. It has no vertices. Okay. Edges. Doesn't have anything like that of some sort. What about faces? Now, faces is what this guy has. This guy has faces. This guy has 1, 2 faces. Now, let me help you go deeper into vertices, faces, and edges with you. So, let's do this. Okay, so what? I've got a pen. I'm going to help you figure this out. Okay, so let me draw this shape. It's supposed to be a cube, but it really isn't. Ugh. Doorbell. Sorry. So this is supposed to be a cube. And let me just draw like sort of lines that aren't actually there, but there's just sides. And let me put this way. Put it that way. You know, I'm gonna stop until I'm gonna stop until this is over. There we go. It's over. So how many vertices does this have? So a vertice. Vertice, or this is a vertex. This is a vertex. This is an edge. And finally, this is a face. So this thing that I just colored in, this is a face. So now you know what all those are. Bye.